Dear friends, we are living in a modern world and a lot of change has happened. And one of the changes with us is that we are depending too much on plastic things, items made out of plastics. This is sin of plastic materials being sold in a town in Manipur, Singamai town. Earlier, people used to depend on utensils made of steel, brass, etc. Now, people are depending on plastics. See the waste materials. Plastic bags, packaging bags made of plastics is a nuisance in the state. And making a scenario of plastic garbage pollution in most places of the city and the towns, the roadsides. People used to throw whenever people do not see. These are the plastics, empty mineral bottles, and they used to burn it. And you know the harm in it. Carcinogens, dioxin, etc. These are the ways which make ugly the nice suburban setting of the city. We need to think. And we need to think a way out of this menace. And it can be done with concerted effort. Rivers are being polluted. Drains are choked up. This river, Namul River, infamous for pollution, it has got a more complement of plastic pollution. Not complement, it a worse picture of plastic pollution also. Ultimately, the plastic waste, it takes it into Loktak Lake, the Ramsar Lake of Manipur, the nice lake of Manipur. The river banks are with a lot of plastic waste, and it make the scene ugly. Kettles. There are cases that kettles are feeding on plastic, and in the stomach of kettles, plastics were found like that. So these are the ugly scenario. We need to think. The state government had some announcement, some ordinance, though it is not in effect, about the use of plastic. These low-density plastics are making great trouble here in the state. Now, one more important thing is that most of the plastics used here are imported from Myanmar, of course illegally. Nowadays, see the bottles in the water bodies. It's only a small place, small area, but when we go to Loktak Lake, where the Namul River joins the Loktak Lake, you will see, instead of vegetation, we will see vast areas of plastic bottles floating on Loktak Lake, making it unclear. And these plastics can be replaced. Recently, biodegradable plastics are available in the state. Some farms are selling it. But people do not use that biodegradable plastics. They are seeking resort to easily available, low-cost, easily available plastics in the market. And people need awareness. The businessmen, they need awareness. It really harms. Enough is enough. And we need thinking about this seriously. A lot of awareness is needed about this. Otherwise, the clean and beautiful landscape of the state is at stake in reach. elsewhere, everywhere, these plastic waste are there. And the municipal activities is also not satisfactory to the level, to the degree of cleaning all this waste. And these are the ways. Thank you. Let us start pondering for our future in this Manipur.